Hi everyone, welcome back to Hometastic. I'm Anna Veronica. Today, we're talking about fast-growing, non-invasive ground covers that can completely transform your yard, adding color, texture, and filling in bare spots without creating a maintenance headache. Let's dive into the top 8 picks that are both beautiful and easy to grow. Starting off strong with Creeping Thyme, a fragrant and hardy ground cover. It forms a dense mat of tiny green leaves and bursts into tiny purple flowers in the summer. Perfect for filling gaps between stepping stones or along garden paths. It's drought-tolerant and attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. Plus, it's non-invasive, so you get beauty without the worry. Blue Star Creeper is a soft, low-growing ground cover with delicate blue star-shaped flowers. It spreads quickly but gently, making it perfect for covering large areas without taking over. It thrives in sun to partial shade and works beautifully under trees or in between pavers. Its soft carpet-like growth makes it perfect for a yard that needs both greenery and charm. Sedum Angelina is a vibrant, low-maintenance succulent ground cover. Its vibrant foliage brightens up shady or sunny corners and even turns slightly orange in the fall. It's drought-tolerant and thrives in well-drained soil, making it ideal for rock gardens or sloped areas. This fast grower creates a dense mat that looks stunning without spreading aggressively. Candy Tuft is a classic non-invasive ground cover with crisp white blooms in the spring that gradually fade but keep the foliage looking neat. Its evergreen leaves create structure year-round, and it's excellent for borders, slopes, or filling in between larger shrubs. It loves full sun and well-drained soil, offering easy maintenance and a clean, bright look. Creeping Jenny adds a pop of golden green color to your garden. It grows rapidly, forming a lush carpet that cascades beautifully over slopes, edges, or containers. While it grows fast, it remains manageable with light trimming. This ground cover thrives in sun to partial shade and works perfectly in moist areas. Periwinkle is an evergreen favorite that quickly fills in bare spots. Its glossy leaves and soft purple or blue blooms make it visually appealing throughout the growing season. This plant tolerates both sun and shade, thrives in various soil types, and remains non-invasive, making it perfect for low-maintenance bedscapes. Ajuga is a versatile, fast-spreading ground cover with colorful foliage that ranges from deep green to purple and blue flowers in spring. Its creeping growth habit forms a dense mat perfect for suppressing weeds naturally. It grows well in sun to partial shade and adds both texture and seasonal color without becoming aggressive. Sweet Woodruff is a fragrant, shade-loving ground cover with small, white star-shaped flowers, perfect for under trees, along shaded paths, or near water features. It spreads steadily but gently, staying manageable while filling in the space with soft green foliage. Its sweet scent adds another layer of charm to any yard. Now that we've explored these 8 fast-growing, non-invasive ground covers, let's talk about how to apply them in your yard. Depending on your yard's layout, sunlight, and style, these plants can create incredible effects. Here are 6 garden ideas to make the most out of these ground covers. Line your garden paths with creeping thyme or blue star creeper. They create a soft, fragrant, and colorful carpet that's pleasant underfoot and visually inviting. Use sedum, angelina, or candy tuft to fill gaps in rock gardens or along slopes. Their low-maintenance nature and vibrant colors make them perfect for a dramatic, layered look. Plant sweet woodruff or ajuga under trees or larger shrubs to brighten up shaded areas while preventing weeds. Their slow but steady coverage keeps the area lush without crowding other plants. Creeping Jenny is perfect for container gardening or hanging baskets. Its trailing habit adds softness and movement to patios, decks, or balcony gardens. Periwinkle and candy tuft work wonderfully along garden edges or borders, providing year-round greenery with seasonal blooms that highlight your landscaping. Combine ajuga, sedum angelina, and creeping thyme in mixed perennial beds. The variety of colors, textures, and heights creates a dynamic, visually appealing display that lasts throughout the growing season. And there you have it. 8 fast-growing, non-invasive ground covers and 6 creative ways to use them in your yard. From filling bare spots to adding color and texture, these plants are a simple way to transform your outdoor space quickly and beautifully. If you loved these ideas, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your own ground cover tips in the comments. I can't wait to see how you bring these plants into your garden. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Hometastic.